Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Investors should keep a close eye on the economic calendar for the days ahead, which features a mix of high, medium, and low-impact data releases. Each event has the potential to influence trading decisions and shift market dynamics, making it vital to stay informed. With these updates in mind, it's crucial for investors to adjust their strategies accordingly. The days ahead may see market responses that align with or deviate from expectations.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
US investors dumped equity funds in the week to September 10th, booking profits at record highs and cutting exposure on caution over lofty valuations and geopolitical tensions in the Middle East and Ukraine. Gold prices rose on Friday, holding close to record highs hit during the week, as signs of a weakening US labor market reinforced expectations the Federal Reserve will deliver its first rate cut of the year next week. Britain's FTSE 100 reversed earlier gains to close lower, dragged down by consumer staples and healthcare stocks, while investors assessed key domestic economic data. The blue-chip FTSE 100 closed down 0.2%, but registered its second straight weekly gain.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The dollar rose 0.3% against the yen in the last trading session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. The ROCs is giving the Aussie-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The RSI is giving the last session saw the oil rise 0.6% against the dollar. The Ultimate Oscillators is giving a negative signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.